Now the nomenclature of carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid has the common formula RCOOH, and we have to remove E from the name of alkane and add the word oic acid to make the name of acid. So this is COOH. If we take the first hydrogen instead of R here, then we will find HCOOH. This is one carbon. For one carbon, it's a common name, sorry, IUPAC name is methane for alkane. Here we have to remove the E and the oic acid is to be added. This is the methanoic acid. Its IUPAC name is methanoic acid. And formic acid is a common name. It is from Latin word formica. Formica is used for ant, right? And this acid was obtained first from formica, means ant, and that's why it is known as formic acid. If we take two carbons, so this is CH3, COOH, two carbons, same to same here, ethanoic acid is the IUPAC name, and acetic acid is a common name. Once again, acetum, from acetum, Latin word, it was obtained first. So normally common names are based on Latin language and the sources from which it was obtained first. Then for three carbons, it is CH3, CH2, COOH. This is three carbon means propane. And here is propanoic acid, IUPAC name. The common name is little much different. It is propionoic acid. So these are the names. Then fourth carbon, butyric acid and butanoic acid. Butanoic acid is IUPAC name. Butyric acid is a common name. Then friends, instead of one, if two COOH are present, it's COOH once and COOH twice. It is also written as H2C2O4. This is H2C2O4. Its common name is well known oxalic acid. Oxalic acid is a common name, but its IUPAC name is considered two carbons. That's why ethane is there. And ethane without removing E. And friends, two times double OH is there. Two times it is di. Two times it is di. Double OH oic acid. So it's ethane dioic acid. Di for two, oic acid for double OH. That's why it is ethane dioic acid. Its common name is oxalic acid. Some more names like this, let's learn. After oxalic acid, friends, instead of two, if more carbons are there. For example, this is COOH in the beginning. Then after, friends, one more CH2 is there and COOH is there. So you can see total 3 carbons are present. Total 3 carbons are present here. 1, 2, 3. For 3 carbon, it is called propane. Once again, E is not to be removed here. Propane. Then COOH is for 2 times. That's why dioic acid. It's propane dioic acid. Its common name is malonic acid. Common name is written in the box, and the IUPAC name propane for 3 carbons. So these 3 carbons, friend, are for propane, and double OH 2 times is dioic acid. If I add one more CH2, it is CH2, CH2, COOH. So once again, this is 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons. For 4 carbon, it is butane. 2 times double OH, dioic acid. And its well-known name is succinic acid. Its common name is succinic acid, friends. Then after, as we add number of carbons in between, CH2 is added. For 5 carbon, it is glutaric acid, pentane acid. And then, friends, hexanoic acid and adipic acid. So these are very important names of, friends, the carboxylic acid. If we consider the benzene ring with COOH, it is benzoic acid. Now, benzoic acid is a very famous name. It can be written benzene carboxylic acid or benzoic acid. So both are, friends, same. Benzoic acid name is used in both cases. Then after, what happen if more than one COOH is present in the benzene ring? So it's very important. COOH 1 time and this is COOH 2 times. This is benzene, the complete one. Then first carbon is this and second carbon. So 1, 2, and then dicarboxylic acid. Friends, I am giving you one most important thing for carboxylic acid word. Carboxylic acid is used for COOH. Here you can see carboxylic acid is written. Dicarboxylic acid means 2 times COOH. Instead of it, dioic or oic acid word. Oic acid word is, friend, used for only double OH. This is the difference. For only double OH, as you can see here, this is butane. So butane is what? 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons. And dioic acid. This di means 2 times. Oic means this is double OH, double OH. So dioic acid is mentioned here. This carbon is already calculated in the main chain. Here, these two COOH, these two parts are not considered in the name. That's why they are separately written as carboxylic acid. And its common name is phthalic acid. Phthalic acid is its common name. Okay, friends. So this is important carboxylic acid compounds